good day to everyone. Every year, 5th June is celebrated as World Environment Day. The sole purpose is to create awareness among people to save environment. Every year, a new theme is assigned by United Nations, and for this year 2021, the theme is Restoration Ecosystem. My dear students, it's not always important to do something big and great. Your one small act of kindness can also create wonder. So my few humble suggestions were to have some natural plants at home and to take care of it, to keep some water outside of your house for birds, or if you want, you can make some bird feeders too. Saving environment is in our hands, and don't you think that the environment has given so much to us? Now it's our sheer responsibility and duty to keep it safe and to keep it clean. Always remember, better environment, better life, and a better tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Love green, save your environment. I'm Shafana. On behalf of Class First M, class teacher Mrs. Mary Leni and Hindi teacher Mrs. Tarak Perveen, we wish you a very pleasant morning. On this day, June 5, we celebrate World Environment Day, aiming to spread awareness about the importance of the environment and the need to protect for our future. Let us start our assembly with Surah recitation by Huzaifa.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد صدق الله.
India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I'm proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Today is add greenery to the environment to make it fresh and alive. I repeat, add greenery to the environment to make it fresh and alive. Thank you. Happy Environment Day to all.
Hello everyone, my name is Ronnie. I'm from First Time with Environmental Day. This day is celebrated 5 June. Environmental plays an important role in healthy living of life. Environmental gives us air, water, food, etc. Thank you. Happy
नाम जैद है। आज का सुविचार है पेड़ पौधे मत करो नष्ट, सांस लेने में होगा कष्ट। चलो इस धरती को रहने योग्य बनाएं, सभी मिलकर विश्व पर्यावरण दिवस बनाइए। Everything surrounding us is called our environment. Our environment gives air, water, food, shelter to all living things. There are 3 types of environment. First is natural environment, and second is industrial environment, and third is social environment. For a healthy life, we should keep our environment clean and green. It is our duty to save our environment. Happy Environment Day! Today I am going to tell you Environment Day. Every year on June 5, we celebrate Environment Day. The first Environment Day started in 1974. People should do good things for Environment Day, like planting trees and and earth, as earth is the only place where life dwells. Good environment to talk about the environment. It is the surrounding in which a person or a plant or an animal lives. World Environment Day is observed every year on June 5 since 1974. It is celebrated to give awareness about environmental issues such as global warming, marine pollution, and mass deforestation. Irresponsible activities is rapidly damaging the environment. Let's protect the environment. Remember, you are never too little to make a difference. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.
Monday comes once a year, but we should make our message clear. Love and clean our earth each day. Make a plan to stay. Reduce, recycle. Make every day and Environment Day. Thank you.